Welcome to our channel. If you're a music producer ready to verify your BeatStars account and start selling beats, follow these comprehensive step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Visit BeatStars.com and click Sign Up to create your producer account on this popular beat marketplace platform. Step 2. Enter your email address and create a strong password, or sign up using your existing Google, Facebook, or Twitter account. Step 3. Choose Producer as your account type to get access to beat selling and distribution features on the platform. Step 4. Check your email inbox for a verification message from BeatStars sent to the email address you provided during registration. Step 5. Open the verification email from BeatStars and click on the confirmation link to verify your email address and activate your account. Step 6. If you didn't receive the verification email, check your spam folder or log into your account and request a new verification email. Step 7. Complete your producer profile by adding your stage name, bio, profile picture, cover image, and links to your social media accounts. Step 8. Set up your payment information to receive earnings from beat sales. Navigate to Settings and add your PayPal email address or bank account details. Step 9. For direct bank deposits, provide your bank account and routing numbers along with any required tax information for earnings reporting. Step 10. Upload your first beat to test the system. Add beat artwork, set pricing for different licenses, and include tags describing your beat style. Step 11. For verified producer status and access to premium features, you may need to upgrade to a paid BeatStars subscription plan and complete additional verification steps. Step 12. Once your account is verified and your profile is complete, optimize your beats with proper tags, competitive pricing, and professional presentation to attract buyers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.